Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I'm an engineer. I've been working as an instructor for more than 5 years and I taught C, C++, Java, Python for 1000 plus students. Now since you're watching this video, that means you're already interested in learning C programming. Now it's been 50 years since C language has been developed and this language is definitely going to stay with us. I must say that if you're planning to start your career as a programmer, then you should start learning from the basic fundamental concepts of the programming. And C is a mother language of all the programming languages. All the modern programming languages, the fundamental concepts are derived from the C programming language. And if your fundamentals are clear, then learning Java, C#, Python is just a cakewalk for you. Now, where do we use C programming? C programming is used for the development of system software as well as for the development of application softwares. Now this particular course is for the complete beginners, those who are new for the programming world as well as for those who want to learn C programming in detail. In this course, we will be focusing more on the practical aspects and I assure you that at the end of this course, you will be in a position to solve any programming problems on your own and that too confidently. In this course, there will be a lot of quizzes and a lot of programming challenges. So if you haven't registered for the course yet, do register for the course and I will see you inside the course. Bye bye.